Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Apple ID and device settings. Sign in, open settings, tap your name. Once done, enable Find My iPhone and share my location so devices report position. Next, open the Find My app and switch to People. Tap Share My Location and select Contacts to invite. Make sure to pick the correct device to share from if you have multiple. This establishes permission and visibility. Without it, you cannot see real-time location or share with others. Now you invite people and set permissions. You tap Share My Location, choose a contact, then pick 1 hour until end of day or indefinitely. This controls how long they can see you. Once they accept, you'll see their status in People. To change or stop sharing, select the person and tap Stop Sharing or Edit to allow updates. Make sure to verify contact entries and that each person has an iOS device or compatible Apple ID to avoid failed invites. Finish by using the People list to select someone and tap directions or play sound to locate them. These actions help when devices are nearby or moving. You can set notifications like Notify when left or Notify when arrived to automate location alerts. If a contact isn't visible, make sure both devices have network access, location services on, and are signed into iCloud with Find My enabled. If problems persist, ask them to toggle Share My Location and restart their device before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.